Introducing Evangelist App's AI-powered profile search engine, designed to help recruiters and researchers find top talent instantly. Traditional search tools rely on keyword matches or deep industry knowledge, making it tough for recruiters new to a domain or working under tight deadlines. Our solution harnesses advanced artificial intelligence, using natural language processing and semantic search to deliver precise candidate matches, even from vague prompts. Here's how it works. I need a machine learning expert with Python experience with over 5 years of expertise. I enter this prompt and our AI takes over. Our privately hosted large language model expands the prompt, identifying synonyms and related skills. It performs a semantic search across your candidate database, using embeddings to find the best matches. The AI delivers results with an overall matching score. Michael Barajas scores 83%, with 91 for Python and 75 for machine learning, giving you an instant view of candidate fit compared to others. This AI-driven tool simplifies talent sourcing, reduces manual screening, and enhances match accuracy, saving time and improving results, even in unfamiliar domains. Ready to streamline your recruitment with AI? Contact us at sales@evangelistsoftware.com. Call +44 785 371 3184 or visit www.evangelistsoftware.com for a demo.